How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make fake spikes in Geometry Dash. This is Guide to Everything. Let's get started. Now, this is extremely simple, especially with the brand new update of Geometry Dash. All we have to do is to turn off some additional settings, and from there we'll be able to achieve this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to place my spikes onto my level, which will basically look something like this. And as you can see, this is nearly impossible to jump. And then in here, let's go ahead and place some ordinary spikes. Now, the trick that I'm going to apply is to basically place a fake spike, which is going to be the last spike right here. So to do that, just navigate through Edit, select the objects that you want to turn into a fake spike, click Edit Group, and then you want to select Extra. And in here, you basically want to enable the no touch option. So in my case, it's going to be this exact setting right here. Click OK, OK once more. And if we play out the level, the last two spikes right here should have that effect. And so guys, as you can see, we have applied the effect perfectly. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.